Welcome to JH. I started using the CoreCare posture corrector a few weeks ago, and surprisingly, it doesn't feel like a medieval torture device. It's actually comfortable against my back and fits snugly without digging into my shoulders, which is a nice change from most fitness gear that feels like it's trying to bruise you. The material is breathable enough that you won't feel like a steamed dumpling while wearing it under your clothes for long periods. Because apparently, we've forgotten how to exist in 3 dimensions without mechanical help. It gently reminds me to stop slouching like a gargoyle without feeling restrictive. It has made a noticeable difference while I'm at my desk, and after just a few days, my back muscles actually started doing their job for once. It's a miracle. My body actually remembers it has muscles, giving me hope that I might one day stand up straight without looking like I'm being pulled by invisible strings. Putting it on is actually intuitive, so you won't need a PhD or a team of assistants just to get into the thing. The straps don't tangle, and it's discreet enough to wear under a shirt without looking like you're hiding a parachute. It even motivates me to take breaks and stretch, which is basically a polite way of the device telling me to stop being a sedentary potato. I've noticed way less tension in my shoulders and upper back lately, making this a simple but effective solution. For anyone who spends their life chained to a desk or just wants to look like a confident human being instead of a question mark, this thing actually delivers. It's certainly doing more for my health than my last 3 forgotten gym memberships.